Hey y'all, today I'll be making an easy fried rice recipe. If you want to see it, keep on watching, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video for me please. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, today we'll be making some fried rice. Here I have my skillet here that I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of oil in. Okay, now I'm using olive oil. We're gonna let that heat up a bit. In this bowl here, I'll be cracking in 2 eggs. To my egg, I like to season it first, so I added some pepper, garlic, and a bit of onion powder. Okay, give that a quick mix. I might add one more egg because this one's too small. I added another egg in because it was too small for me. So give that a quick mix. All right, this is our egg. In my skillet here, I'll be adding the egg in. Okay. Nice and hot. All right, my egg is nice and ready. I just want to pour it here. I'm going to wipe this a bit. We're going to add in oil again, about 2 tablespoons. To the oil, I'll be adding in green onion and onion. I'm adding in some mixed veggies as well, just a little bit. Okay. I'm adding half a teaspoon of minced garlic in. Now I am going to add the rice in. My rice is 1 day old, okay? Make sure it's nice and cold. Take it out from the fridge and just drop it in your pot, okay? Nice and cold rice. All right? Nice and cold rice. Now, I'm going in with the seasoning. I'm adding soy sauce. Adding soy sauce and adding a little bit of seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. I like to add a little poultry seasoning. That's just my preference, okay? If you don't like that, don't add it in. Okay, just a little bit. Poultry seasoning in. I'm adding some pepper. Oh, it smells so good right now. Pepper. Give that a mix. Might have to add a little bit more soy sauce, just because, just a little bit more. Now I'm adding my eggs in with a little bit of sugar. Okay, you guys heard me? A little bit of sugar in. Because last time I made a video with fried rice, I added a little bit of sugar. A lot of you guys were like, sugar? Yes, a little bit of sugar. Not a lot. Just a pinch, okay? And give that a mix, just like this. And boom, your fried rice is ready. I'm adding a little bit more soy sauce because I love the soy sauce flavor. Give that in a mix. You can add chicken to this. You can add shrimp. I have a shrimp recipe. Check that out if you guys would like to see it. Basically, that is your fried rice. Okay, that's your fried rice. As you guys notice, I didn't add any salt, just because soy sauce has a lot of sodium, so you don't want to go add a bunch of salt. I don't need salt at all. So basically, that is your fried rice. That's the fried rice recipe, y'all. Amazing taste. It's so flavorful with the soy sauce, the pepper, and you can taste the veggies as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Also, thumbs up the video for more recipes like this one. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Yum.